video to show you how I made a beaded glasses chain. We have a 12mm lobster clasp. Then we have a 5mm jump ring. And a silver plated clamshell culotte. And I'll link a video to show you how these all attach together. I have used 0.8mm elastic, and I've just used random 4mm beads, no set order, to make the chain. The total length of the chain is 30 inches, and that's with the fittings on the end. Obviously you make it as long as you want it to be. These are black silicone infinity connectors to go on your glasses, and I do sell these just by the pair. And here they are connected to the lobster clasps. Simply attach to the glasses and then just pull tight, and that will stop them falling off.